What is Citrix? Citrix application is the virtualization mechanism that enables organization to deliver centrally hosted application that includes shared desktop, application, and dedicated VDI. What is the benefit of the Citrix? Okay, so access Citrix application anytime, anywhere. What that means, when you go the trainings, I mean upcoming trainings, you will come to know you would able to access Citrix application from your Android phone. You would able to access the Citrix based application through your iOS, the Apple, Mac, any device, Windows device, of course. Okay, so whatever device you have in your hand, you would able to access the Citrix application through that. Okay, that is the beauty of the Citrix. Even there is VDI, the hosted on the Citrix platform, the shared platform, whatever it is hosted on the Citrix platform, you would able to access through your phone, through your tab, through your laptop, anywhere you can able to access. What is that? That is when it is mentioned, access Citrix application anytime, anywhere. Okay, so it is 24/7 available. It is not like that the physical machine, if it is shut down, what would be the next? Okay, you need to repair it, and likewise, once it is repaired, you would able to log in into your laptop. But Citrix, of course, when it is mentioned virtualization, that is all over the cloud. Okay, so it is work like 24/7. So the organization have this Citrix hosted, they never worry about the downtime, so it is all time available 24/7. Let's move to the next slide. Citrix core components. Okay, so what are the components we need to install to manage the Citrix environment? Okay, so delivery controller, which manage user management, Citrix Studio, Citrix storefront, Citrix director, Citrix license server, Citrix VDA agent. Okay, so these are the core components of the Citrix. We will dig in more into it once we set up a lab, once we go through all the videos in the training. So you really don't have to worry. Right now I'm not explaining each and every components. Okay, so I'm just talking about what are the Citrix core component. Okay, so these are the components which we need in Citrix environment to manage and configure and execute Citrix application and desktop and the VDI. All right, so let's move to the next slide. We will have little diagram on it. Citrix core components. So I told you earlier that these are the Citrix components. So these are the diagram. Okay, so this is like your device. Okay, this is your device. It is NetScaler, which manage security, which manage authentication, the multi-factor authentication. It is a kind of gateway, or you can say router for the Citrix. Okay, and these are the Citrix environment. Okay, so we will need hypervisor, we will need VDA agent, we will need delivery controller. Well, this is the main part of Citrix server. Okay, so this is delivery control, like an Active Directory we have in the environment. So this is in Citrix, this is a main component. Okay, so you can say it is heart of Citrix. Okay, so when you see this diagram, you will come to know like every component which are getting connected to this delivery controller, database, storefront, directory, studio, license, server. So every component will communicate with delivery controller and will proceed the further. Okay, so delivery controller is the main component of the Citrix. Okay, like I mentioned, the Active Directory we have. All right, so that's it. And this PPTs, and hope if you would like this video, you can just go ahead and share with your folks, your friends who would love to learn this Citrix technology and wanted to enter into the Citrix world. Thank you very much for watching this. Of course, if you have any question, you can just email me at skillcareerhub@gmail.com. Thanks very much for watching.